Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. If you own a 2019 to 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and your truck did not come with the factory installed lower fog lights, but you're looking at the kits from Chevrolet and see there is something a bit confusing about the task lighting options on our product pages, well today I hope to clear that up a bit for you. These kits are genuine Chevrolet products, so you know the quality is going to be top notch when it comes to these kits being exact with fitment and operation. As you can see, the kits come with the LED fog light housings that feature very bright LEDs to light the way, a plug-and-play wiring harness, a switch based on your application, and the very important authorization code needed to reprogram your BCM by your dealer for a flawless operation. As a tip, you do not want to lose this authorization code. Each code is specific to the kit purchased and it cannot be replaced. The kits are essentially the same, with the difference being the switch. One switch will have the task lighting button if your truck is equipped with it. Now the task lighting is a package that includes the accessory lighting for the side mirrors, tailgate, and the cargo area. If your truck does not have that lighting accessory, then your model will require the kit without the task lighting. For example, the 2020 Silverado I have sitting behind me is not equipped with the accessory lighting, so this truck will be getting the kit without the task lighting installed. As you can see, the factory headlight switch we have does not have the task lighting button. So the new switch will simply have to replicate the factory switch with the addition of the fog light button. To wrap it up, this fog light kit from Chevrolet, although a bit confusing when it comes to finding the correct kit, is available for the Silverado 1500 models that were not equipped with the factory fog lights. These kits will increase your nighttime visibility while adding both style and function to your truck. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these kits, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.